Hello fellows, welcome to today's our new tutorial on how to showcase testimonials using Shortcode and Elementor. For this, in the very beginning, we need to go to the plugins, add new plugin. In the search key box, type testimonial powered by RadiusTheme. That is most customizable and user-friendly testimonial plugin to manage your customers' testimonials. So install and activate the testimonial plugin. Now go to the plugins to add new plugin. Click on upload plugin and for choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Then click on install now. After installing, click on activate plugin. We need the pro version of our plugin for this premium feature. Now in the step 1, we will create first a category and add a testimonial. So for this, go to the testimonial category to add the new one. Provide a suitable name that you prefer. For example, marketing. And then save it. Here it is. Now add testimonial. Again provide a title, what you need to provide. Then write a description about it. After that, for testimonials information, provide designation like SEO manager, then company name, location, rating, and if you want, you can also provide the video URL. And in the next, select the social media what you have. Now for the featured image, select your required one and save it. Do not forget to mention the categories. And lastly, click on publish to save all of this. Now again go to the all testimonials, and here it is that you have just created. It will be displayed here. Next, step 2. In this step, we will showcase the testimonial using a shortcode. For this, go to the shortcode. Then click on add post and provide an appropriate title for this, like testimonial showcase. And according to the layout, you will get 2 types of layout along with the layout style: grid, slider and isotope. According to this layout, you can choose and preview any layout style for this. Preview it below. After that, you can set the number of columns for your desktop, tab, mobile, and then select your read more button text as well as image size from this given criteria. Choose your image type as normal or circle. If you want, you can also enable or disable details page link. While done, click on publish to save. After saving, copy this shortcode from here. Now go to the page to add a new page. Here, provide the page title as Testimonial Showcase. Now click on this plus icon, find shortcode and click on it. Now paste your copied shortcode. Then click on publish to save. After that, click on view page to visit our customization. This is the appearance of it. Now back to the testimonial again. If you want, you can try another layout type like slider. Under the slider layout type, you will get several layout style. You can select any one and then save it. Now let's back to the page to see the difference before and after. Here it is. Next, isotope layout type. Again, you will get some layout style according to it. If you want, you can preview this style below. Now again, save it and let's visit the changes here. In the next, let's go to the filtering. Here you'll get the option to include the list of post IDs to show, and then you can set limit, categories, type, and then you can set the order by from these given options along with the ascending or descending order. In the next, go to the field selection. You will get several field options here to enable or disable for showing or hiding. For example, if you disable author image and save it, it will look like this. It will not be appear anymore. After that, if you again want to disable company and location field selection and then save it, it will not display here anymore. After field selection, go to the styling for color customization. If you want, you can change and customize your color schema, button color, isotope counter, tooltip color, and etc. Furthermore, you can also customize your overlay style, image border style, and the author name color. You can choose any color from this color picker. Like this, same process are applicable for your reading color customization. While done, click on Update to save. And let's visit our customization here. Reload this page, and this is the difference. Now in the step 3, we will showcase the testimonial using the Elementor page builder. For this, go to the page. Here, provide a title as Testimonial Showcase using Elementor. Then click on Publish, and on the top click on Edit with Elementor. It will look like that, and this is the appearance of it. Now in the first, we will drag the heading and drop it here, and then set a title for this like grid layout. Now go to the style for your alignment customization and the text color. You can choose your text color from this color picker, what you prefer. Then for the container, go to the advanced. You can customize its margin and the padding also. Next, drag testimonial grid layout here and drop it down. You will get several layout options for choose. You can try each layout one by one and preview this and select anyone from this. Then set your column number for showing the post in per row. Then choose your grid style, either masonry or even. In the query, you can include your testimonials to show. You can choose multi-testimonials at a time. Or if you want, you can leave it blank to include all posts. Then go to the categories and tags. Select your category here. And then go to the sorting for customize your order by if you want. Then go to the image. From here you can select your image type. In the pagination, you can enable or disable show pagination option. And then select your pagination type from these given options. Next, in the content limit, you can again enable or disable limit testimonial content. Then set the limits for your testimonial text. Next, the content visibility. Again, like previous, you will get several options to show or hide by enabling or disabling this option. For example, author name, author page, testimonial text, location name, rating, social media, and etc. If you disable any fields from here, it will disappear in your testimonial like this. So select and choose what you want to do. Now go to the style for the color customization. From here, you can change and customize the color for your quote icon from this color picker. And same process are applicable for author name color customization, author bio, rating, and etc. Now go to the typography for the further customization. If you want, you can change your size as well as the other options. Then, same customization process are available for author bio, rating, testimonial text, and etc. If you further want, you can change your alignment. Next, go to the image style. You can change your border type from these given options. Not only that, you can also change your border width, border color from this color picker. If you further want, you can keep your border type as default. In the next, now again we will drag the heading and drop it here. Provide your title for this like slider layout and go to the style for the alignment and text color customization. You can change your text color from their color picker. After that, drag testimonial slider layout and get several layout style. For this, you can try each layout one by one for its appearance and then select anyone from here. Then set your number of columns for post to show per row. It will look like that. Next, drag again heading for the further and provide the title as isotop layout. Then go to the style for alignment and text color customization like previous. In the advanced, you can also change your margin and the padding also. Next, drag testimonial isotop layout and drop it here. Again, like previous, you will get a few of a layout style to choose. You can preview one by one from here. Then again, set your number of columns for your post to show per row, and in the query, you can set the number of testimonials post limit. Then go to the isotop settings. You can choose the isotop filter type from here as category or rating. While choosing, it will display like this. Next, go to the image for select your image size and from the content visibility, choose the field selection from here. Go to the style now for your color customization. While your customization is done, click on publish to save. Let's visit our page. This is the grid layout, slider layout, and lastly the isotop layout. This is how you can showcase your testimonials using Shortcode and Elementor. Thank you for watching.